Hey, what's up, everybody? Jake Wood here. Just wanted to create a quick video and demonstrate for you all that are following along on our journey some new functionality that we're just now releasing into our administrator product. So, as you've probably heard me say, we spend a lot of time listening to prospects in our pipeline, talking to our current customers, really trying to get a sense for what are the pain points that admins are facing every single day with their existing platforms. And when we start hearing about a pain point consistently, we set about to try to solve it. So one of the things we started hearing from folks was just how annoying it was that they were limited in the number of employee segments that they could create on their legacy platforms. So think of a segment like a permanent group of employees that are structured usually around one or multiple data points from the HRIS file. So you might have a segment for your US-based employees. You might have a even narrower segment for associate US-based employees. You might have a separate segment for your EMEA region or for your employees in India. You might segment your population by business unit. Lots of different ways that you can do this. But again, we kept hearing from folks, hey, I'm limited to 2 or 3 segments with my platform. It's really annoying that anytime I want to create a new one, I get charged for it, usually around $1,000 for a new segment. And they didn't really control the experience. And so we set about trying to solve that. And frankly, it really wasn't that challenging. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to show you what we just built. We're releasing this out for our existing users and something that we're going to be rolling out across all prospects here moving forward. So I am going to share my screen, and here you see our admin platform. So we're in the settings part of this, and I'm going to walk you through what we've built here to make segmentation really, really easy. So first of all, we have an existing segment already in here. I've created this executive segment. We can see there's 7 employees in this segment. We can see when it was created. We've got certain functionality like being able to edit or clone this segment. I'm just going to go ahead, click in here. I can see a description for that segment, and I can see what is being mapped to that segment. So here, we can come in and we can completely control who's included in this segment. We can add multiple conditions here. I'm calling this the executive segment. We actually didn't have executive as a data point, but I think you get the gist of this. But we can also say, hey, maybe we want this just for our US-based executives. We're going to further refine that segment. We can view those employees. And if for whatever reason, there's a particular employee that we don't actually want included in this segment, even though they meet all the criteria that we're setting, maybe it's, for example, in this case, the CEO, and we actually don't want the CEO as part of the segment, we can go ahead and click that person, move them to ineligible. And there we go. We've reduced that segment down now to 6. So we've updated that. We can see at any point in time who are the members of the segment. We can also see where this segment is being used. So this segment happens to be in an active match program. The name of that match program is the Executive Match. So we can view details about that match program here. I've just gone over to a new tab, and you can see here this Executive Match program. It's a $10,000 match. We can see who is participating in that. If I come back, I can go and look at any other program where this segment might be currently impacted. Now, this is layered across our entire platform and all of its capabilities. So you can also run volunteer events by segment. You can create ephemeral segments. If you want to build out one of those segments using that selection criteria for a single event, you can do that and then just decide to discard that segment after the fact. So, the other thing here that we're excited to announce is that you're going to have unlimited segments. So we can build as many of these as we want. Let's say we want to build one for Canada. We can go ahead and do that. We can select individual employees for that segment, which might make sense for something that's really small. Obviously, if we're talking about Canada, that's not going to be that. So we'll go ahead and we'll make this segment for Canada. You can see we've got 33 employees up there. Again, I can view them. I can eliminate specific employees if I want. But here, I'm just going to go ahead and create that. And now we've got this additional segment right here. Again, unlimited segments, unlimited potential to have this layered across the platform. Really excited about this. Again, this is the result of all those conversations we're having with you out there in the space. So really appreciate the time that you're taking to share your pain points with us. And we're just going to continue to demonstrate what we're doing with it, which is solving problems that we see consistently reappearing across our pipeline. So thanks for tuning in. We'll start doing some more of these updates pretty regularly. We're shipping new products and features every single week. If you ever want to take a look inside our product, feel free to reach out to me directly. We'll book a demo. I'll walk you through everything that we're doing, whether you're in the market now or not. We're always happy to show what we've built and learn more about what we can do to make your lives easier. So thanks for tuning in. See you next time.